So pay attention. You can see nothing. The DHL is blocking. So now pay attention here. Why? You can see the traffic sign is a one-way and an extra sign, special and go. Let them know that you wait. Yeah. You can roll. Stop is not necessary. Yeah? You can prepare these. Yeah? So now the reason for the examiner say nothing. The examiner say only left and only right, not straight ahead. Yeah?
Okay.
Because in the next situation,
This is a no entry sign.
no entry sign, and that is what the examiner is looking for. The examiner checking knowledge, and the examiner want to know about about the sign.
Okay.
And now you decide self, in which direction, left or right.
Only
Look,
right.
then only right. Okay, okay. Ulmenstraße 11 in Derendorf. Not close on the right. You're a little bit too close on the right. Now you turn right. And pay attention for the red area. The red area is the part for the cycles. Yeah. And go. You're green. Go please. Go please. Find confidence in the traffic system. Yeah.